RISERS concludes with a clear vision: market stakeholders enabling industrial symbiosis through European standards. The RISERS Industrial Symbiosis Standardization Roadmap shows the way, with CEN and CENELEC playing a central role in making industrial symbiosis standardization happen across Europe.
First, I think I should explain who CEN and CENELEC are. CEN and CENELEC are two of the European standards organizations in Europe that develop European standards, stakeholder-driven, consensus-driven. Our role in RISERS is we are a project partner in the RISERS project. We have a very defined role to take a roadmap for standardization further into our technical committee's work. So the concrete task we have within the RISERS project is to guide the RISERS project partners, the stakeholders, in defining a roadmap, defining the challenges they have, and then take those further into our technical committee. So from that, we have concrete standardization results after. CEN and CENELEC are very open and stakeholder-driven process, so anyone interested in industrial symbiosis is invited and encouraged to participate in our technical committee work. Something that I would like to stress is that industrial symbiosis is not only touching or affecting industry, but we have NGOs, we have academia, we have researchers, policymakers as well that are interested in this subject. So in that sense, our platforms and our technical committees are open, and we encourage everybody interested in industrial symbiosis to take part in our technical committees and contribute to industrial symbiosis standardization. That's a very strong question and a very timely question as well. I think from the point of view of industry, something that is very important is to get early on involved in standardization. If we want to deploy solutions for industrial symbiosis across Europe, then standardization can be that tool to embed different challenges, to find a uniformity in terms of solution for industrial symbiosis. But for that, we need the industry early on involved in the standardization process. From policymakers, and here I want to make the link as well to research projects, I think policymakers need to understand that standardization is a tool to deploy market results. So from that perspective, I think policymakers can invest more in standardization, can invest more in making the link between standardization and research to ensure that we have concrete standardization results for industrial symbiosis. The message is contribute, be part of the discussion, take part at the table. I think those who set the standard set the market, and that is very much a saying we do have in the standardization community. So for standardization to be successful, we need you, we need industry, we need the academia, we need NGOs, we need the researchers, the policymakers. So my message would be that if you do have any identified challenges, any identified problems, any identified gaps in the RISERS project for industrial symbiosis that would benefit from standardization, bridge that gap with your national standardization organizations or with CEN and CENELEC, bring those challenges to the table, be part of the discussion, drive the conversation, and develop European standards.